The Maroons were descendants of enslaved Africans who escaped from the British plantations and established their own independent communities in the rugged and remote regions of Jamaica's interior. They were aided in their escape by the indigenous Taino people, who taught them survival skills and helped them adapt to the harsh terrain in the Jamaican mountains. The Maroons were skilled hunters, farmers, and warriors, and they developed their own unique culture and traditions. They were organized into distinct communities, each led by a colonel, who was responsible for the defense and governance of the community. The Maroons developed their own language, which was a blend of African English and indigenous Jamaican language. One of the most famous Maroon leaders was Nanny of the Maroons, who is celebrated as a national hero in Jamaica. Nanny was a spiritual leader and a warrior who played a key role in the Maroon resistance against the British forces. She was known for her tactical skills, her ability to communicate with the spirits, and her use of herbal remedies to heal the sick and wounded. The Maroons were able to mount successful campaigns against the British forces, using their knowledge of the terrain to their advantage. They launched surprise attacks on the British outposts and raided plantations, liberating enslaved Africans and recruiting them into their communities. In 1739, the British government signed a peace treaty with the Maroons, recognizing their autonomy and granting them the land and resources in exchange for their help in maintaining order and suppressing slave revolts. The treaty allowed the Maroons to govern themselves and maintain their own traditions and customs.
The Maroons continue to be an important part of Jamaica culture and history, and their legacy has influenced many aspects of Jamaican society. Their struggles for freedom and independence have inspired generations of Jamaicans, and their contributions to Jamaican culture and society are widely recognized and celebrated. Today, many Maroon communities are designated as protected heritage sites, and efforts are being made to preserve and promote their unique cultural traditions.